Welcome to the Drop Shop Garage, guys. This is part 2 of the Grainger unboxing. In case you guys didn't know, Pro-Cell is the exact same thing as Duracell. They just call them Pro-Cell when you get them in a big bundle package. So here we have some size D batteries. It says D12 because it comes with a 12 pack of Ds. These are called C12 because they're a 12 pack of C's. This little box is a 24 pack of double A's. And this little box is a 24 pack of triple A's. So yeah, if you guys ever run across this brand called Pro-Cell, it's the exact same thing as Duracell. They just call them that when you get them in big bundle packages, and that's how Grainger delivers them. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day, guys.